One of the questions is whether people should use temporary versus permanent groups throughout the semester. And so my class is a small group class, so we use permanent groups, permanent stable groups throughout the semester. And the research suggests that maybe in the first 2 weeks you have these temporary groups, but then soon afterwards, there's a lot more benefits for students working in stable groups throughout the semester. It builds camaraderie over time. Group members get to know each other better. They can start studying with each other outside of class. It actually helps improve absenteeism and attrition. So of course that could, if a group member stops showing up, that can be a little bit challenging, but actually having these stable groups helps encourage them to kind of show up and things like that. But the other thing is, if groups aren't working, if there's some challenges, you can also at the halfway point of the semester change groups up again, so you get sort of maybe the best of both worlds. If you move towards more stable groups, the literature suggests that instructor assigned groups work better, unless it's a more advanced class where students know each other. So if the class is more advanced, like maybe 300 level classes, but 400 level classes and above, self-selected teams might actually be better. But I'm working in a 300 level class. The students definitely don't know each other. It sounds like maybe Bobby's class is potentially interdisciplinary too, so maybe that's also a case. So the research supports that instructor formed groups end up being better. And some of the benefits is that it suggests that the random grouping or self-selection by students is likely to exclude or negatively affect minority students. So actually having the instructor be more purposeful in their grouping is better for all students. And then the other finding is that students in these more stable instructor formed groups, they actually get further along in the course. They develop further than where they were at the beginning of the class.